What's old, smells a bit funny, leaks all over the garage floor, and has the occasional breakdown every so often. No kids, it's not your grandparents, it's a classic motorbike. And we're about to transport 14 beautiful ones. We've delivered all the bikes from in the past, a hell of a lot of them from all over the country. Moved them from two of his addresses before, or from one address to the other. We're going to be doing the same again today. We're going to vlog it, we're going to show you all the bike. There's some beauties. So this is going to be a bit of a treat for us. And I'll show you how we will move 5 bikes at a time, which we do on occasion when we've got small bikes like this. So with David's permission, we're going to vlog it all. And we're almost there. We're about 5 minutes away from arrival. He said we can meet him at 10 o'clock. So I'm ready. I'm excited. Okay, David's kindly agreed to let us film the loading and unloading. Just look at the treasure that we've got here. Wow, wow, wow. And the same over here. We're moving from 3 different addresses now. Oh, wow. Look at that. What an absolute treasure. Gorgeous. If you're not confident, this could end up a really scary, expensive moment.
But that made you nervous, isn't it? You've done that before.
You'll have just seen me load this from the outside, but here's a picture from the inside. So that's how the bike looks. When you push the ramp in, it pins the bike down so it can't move side to side.
So the first 5 are going to David's storage unit. The second load is being collected from another address where he's storing a few other bikes and being brought back to the storage unit as well. Now some of the bikes that have been previously stored in the storage unit are going back to David's house so he can work on them day to day.
Right, mate, anyway, really. Back doors. Christ almighty, I jumped out of my skin. Do you know what? I've done that before on that.
One load from the house back to the storage, and then one back from the storage to the house, and then Dave will have all his favourite bikes in one place so he can work at them at his leisure. Out of all of these bikes, the Triton was definitely my favourite. I don't know why, it's just it's a gorgeous chimera of two bikes. Absolutely stunning. But if you have a favourite, let us know in the comment section underneath. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Dave for letting us transport his beautiful bikes. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.